So today is Friday, and yeah, my husband has an interview at 9 o'clock for the day job. He has a night job, so he has an interview for that, and of course yours truly is going to be with him. So yeah, today's a half day for the children, so I have Jackson home because he's pre-K, so when there's half day he doesn't have school, and I still have Destiny home because she's partially sick, not sick, but you know, I don't want to send her to school and she gives the kids what she has, you know. You're welcome. So Maddie's on the bed. I have to get her ready and dressed, and you know, and my hair, I washed my hair last night, and just a bit of update. The edges, it's not the shedding is kind of slowed down on it because I've been taking the MSM and the hair and nail vitamins, so that's good. I'm happy and I'm excited, and my husband just told me the time. And Mia, look Mia, what is that, Mia? Not him, but yeah, my tree's still up, Mia. I'm sorry. I don't know, I might just leave it up until this year, but I'm gonna get going and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So yeah, let's go. Breakfast is served. So yeah, this is 1.5 eggs, steak, beans, broccoli, sweet peppers, and I think cheese. My husband made this, so I don't know what's exactly in here, but this is what I eat on keto. So this is just my breakfast. I give in to the lesser fight. My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this strength of mine. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. Right here, Papa. Right here. Lens is right here. You're so cute. I love you. I love you. So, we're sitting out in Daddy's truck and we're waiting for Daddy to get back from an interview. He went in at 9 and it's a little past I love you. I love you too. I love you. Okay, buddy. It's a little past 9. It's like 9:27, and I'm waiting for him to come out with some good news, hopefully. Yeah, I was supposed to go to Ross, but I'm not gonna go because it's cold and I don't want him to sit out here waiting for me to come back from Ross, so I'm not gonna go. I'm just gonna wait. Maddie's up. I'm supposed to be feeding her. I brought her bottle.
Pretty good, I think.
Comes and goes, it goes, it goes. My weakness echoes in my soul. Oh, it echoes in soul. My weakness comes and goes, it goes, it goes.
So we finished this interview at the other place. Now we're sitting at Amazon warehouse, because there's a warehouse right by our house. So it's like Amazon Flex, where you deliver packages with your own personal car. So he's gonna apply for that.
How could Daddy?
So now we're sitting and waiting. Oh, somebody kept saying why I chopped my why I chew gum. I don't purposely chew gum to annoy anyone. Like, I'm always chewing gum. It's just a bad habit, and I try to be aware of, you know, the fact that I'm recording, but I like to chew gum. I'm sorry. Hey, Miss Quinn.
Mommy, that one looks like a frog.
She is not having it today. Like, she's not having it.
Where?
Hi, Tweety Pond. Hi, Madibun.
That one.
Hi, Madibun.
Just kidding.
Hi, Boogie. Hi. Say hi.
I can see the clouds moving.
Say whoa. Whoa.
Don't you kill me. I saw the clouds moving.
Where? Up in the sky?
Yeah. See it moving. Do not kill me. I actually feel better. Why is it this thing on me? I hate it. Can I do this, Mommy? Can I do this one? Can I do this one, Mommy?
No.
I know how to do it, this one. No.
Bun. Run.
Mommy got distracted. Tell them you got distracted.
This is what they do. They come with their personal car and they pull up to this big old building right here.
To get what?
To load their cars with packages. So
that's cool.
it's
Can I
a
go?
whole long line back there.
Okay.
Long line back there.
Is Daddy doing it?
Here comes. What happened?
Yeah, they're gonna call me.
You did the application?
No, they're out, but he's gonna call me, and then when I come for the interview, I can just get one.
Oh, okay. He got your information?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dude was like, one of the guys was like, yeah, go talk to him. Talk to the big guy. Don't talk to the little guy. I'm like, okay, whatever. So I went over there. I said, yeah, hiring? The little guy just looked at me. The other guy was, oh, what are you applying for? Like, he was much nicer. What are you applying for? I said, driver. Like, oh, okay, yeah, all right. So he was like, what'd they say? I said, yeah, they're hiring. He said, okay. For van drivers.
Oh, van drivers, not the flex where you
Not
use
flex
your
drivers,
own
no.
car.
Yeah, van drivers should drive their own vehicles.
Oh, okay. That's not bad.
No, that's not bad.
Okay. All right.
So they'll call me.
All right. Next one. Where we going next?
I don't know yet.
All right. We're back home. Someone's mad at me, but it's okay. He's cooking his own food. You can tell when he's mad at me. He cooks his own food. What are you cooking? He's on the same diet that I'm on. It's not even a diet, it's a lifestyle. But we get to have lots and lots of cheese. This is Mexican for cheese. Yes? You want your lunch?
Yes.
Okay, I'll get it. I'll have it ready for you in a second. Boys, you have chores to do. So when you finish, what did we get? Ooh. So I got Chipotle. I got double chicken, guacamole, lettuce, and tomato. And sour cream on the side. I don't know about the sour cream. I'm gonna look it up. That's why I had them put it on the side. And then I got Destiny and Jackson. Just their regular chicken bowl. The boys were at school, so they had lunch at school. So you had lunch at school?
Yeah, I didn't really eat it pizza. I really didn't feel like hungry at first.
Okay. Okay, I'll have a seat. I'll bring it to you. Is that dinner?
Nope.
No? That's lunch? Okay guys, so that's one piece of hair. It's gonna drive me crazy. So we're just getting back. I went to Walmart. Well, actually, I went to go pay for our marriage retreat. We're going to a marriage retreat that is being sponsored. Well, it's not sponsored. It's our pastor's doing a marriage retreat, so we went to go pay for that. And then after that, I went to Walmart to grab a few stuff before sunset. So I spent like $250 for a bunch of stuff that I don't even know. We got grocery, a chair for Maddie, a little thing for her to jump on the door, a bathtub, a bath thing for the bath.
I want to say hi. Hi. I said hi.
Okay. So anyway, so I got that, and yeah, so
I don't want to.
he don't want to eat this he don't want to eat its dinner. But anyway, battery's about to die. So recap of what we did today. So we went to one job interview, went to fill out 2 applications, and one of them is gonna call him back. Amazon is gonna call him back, and so on and so forth. But anyways guys, that's it for this video. So I will talk to you guys on Monday.
That's a recap. That's a recap.
Like and subscribe, and I will see you guys later.
Never know.